How to use ChatGPT for free without limits trick. To use this feature, first of all, you have to use the Gmail plus dot alias hack. To use this, simply open your ChatGPT application first, then tap on this horizontal line on your top left, then scroll downwards and log out of your account. Now, once you log out, you should be able to find this option called log in or sign up once again, or you will be sent to this login page once again. Now simply tap this login option, then tap your email. Now what you want to do is use this method. As you can see, the primary email seems like this, but you can use this option using plus and dot, like type in your username, then use the plus icon and ChatGPT 1. Once you do so, go ahead and enter this Gmail or use the same formatting to log in. And once you log in, you should be able to use it without any limits. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.